So in this video we are going to do an unboxing of this electric screwdriver which is Worx, and the model is WX242, which is the latest model. So let's just unpack it and let's just check out the things into it. So we received it from Worx. So it comes in a plastic box. Quality is good. So this is the screwdriver, the electric screwdriver, and this is the button to on. And over here there is a charging port, and I think it's a C type. Let me check. Yes, it's a C type cable. So basically well, I don't recommend the electric ones, but let's just check out, because the motor used in these screwdrivers are not that good enough. But let's just check out this one, and let me bring something to check it on. So let's just check it out on this keyboard, and I think this is the bit which we are going to use. Yes, and I think, yeah, so we have to connect it like this, and let's just check it out. So this one seems good. Let's just, so as you can see, it's working fine. So yes, yes, I think the motor is good on this screwdriver, this electric screwdriver. This one seems good. Thank you.